On today's episode, we're installing the transfer case. Yeah!
Okay, on today's episode, we are going to get the adapter plate on. We also are going to get the cable shifters on and then get it up in the truck. We have this adapter spacer plate marked. It's kind of cheese ball. Can only fit 5 bolts in the flange, and I had to trim that. I wish it was one piece, but it's not. So right now I'm just making sure I know where the bolts go. Make it a little easier when I install the 205.
Is it like a paint? Dada, is it like a paint?
It's a sealant.
But it looks like paint, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it dry out?
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. This is a cool shifter. Yeah. They kind of look like it has a little microscope on it.
Yeah. Torqued it down. Now I'm going to start installing the cable shifter from Northwest Fab. I need to install that before I can mount this in the truck. Probably should have installed the bracket beforehand. Too much. Click, click. Okay, we got the cable shifters in.
Okay, I can jump the wheelie on that.
I have a feeling I'm going to have to get these out of the way. Trying to sneak it in with the lift without hitting the cross member. Getting close. Just Just gotta line up them 2 notches. So, unfortunately, I have to take the cross member out, but it'll make life a lot easier to fit in there. I didn't want to drop the 205 on my feet, so let's do it smarter. All right, for the 4th time, I'm gonna try it again. All right, 5th time. It's engaged in the spline count. Gotta rotate it a hair to line up this hole with these threads in the spacer. But it's in. It looks good too. Looks like it clears everything. Nice. Let me get the bolts started. Maybe one day someone will make a better adapter, but it's bolted up, so that's a win. And it looks like the yoke flange clears the oil pan of the transmission, so shouldn't be a problem with the drive shaft. Okay, I'm going to torque these bolts down and let the jack. Maybe I trimmed a little bit too much off the spacer, but I can get another bolt in half thread. I might just tighten it up just to have it there. Why not, right? It's halfway, but it's funny. It's like an art piece. This is cool, right? Fuck it. Okay, looks like I'll be making either a spacer or a new cross member because this is way too close. But if I drop it down, make a spacer, it might clear. Alright, so what do you guys think? Make a new cross member, notch this one, use the stock cross member? Let me know in the comments. Don't be afraid to comment. Tell me what I should do. I'll figure it out. Thanks for watching.